Welcome students. Chapter number 6 in EVS. Fun and celebrations. In this chapter, we are going to learn about family time, special days in the family, celebrating festivals with family, friends and neighbors, important days. All these things we are going to learn in this chapter. So let us begin. Family time. We live in a home with our family. We love our family. We like to do many things together. During the week, we are busy with school. Our parents are busy at work. We get very little time together. So here, we live in a home with our family. We all live in a home, no, with our family. And we all love our family. Yes, we do. We like to do many things together. Yes, when we are living together, we do many things together. During the week, we are busy with school. Yes, from Monday to Friday, we are all busy with school, no? Even our parents are busy at work. They also go for their work. We get very little time together. We have little time together. But we enjoy our weekends and holidays together. Weekends means Saturday and Sunday. So, we enjoy our weekends and holidays together. We spend a lot of time together and we spend lot of time together during weekends and holidays. We have fun doing things we like. We enjoy playing games and watching TV. So, during the weekends and holidays, we love to play games and watch television. We also enjoy eating out, going for picnics and visiting friends and relatives on holidays. After all of our playing games and watching TV, we also love to eat outside, then go for picnics and visit friends and relatives on holidays. Let's know what these people do on Sundays and holidays. Now, can you see these 4 children here? Now, let us see what these children do during Sundays and holidays. Akhil, on Sundays, we have fun going to the park or zoo or to the zoo. Yes, on Sundays, Akhil loves to go to park or to the zoo. Karan, on holidays, we have fun visiting our relatives and friends. So, Karan loves to visit his relatives and friends. Juhi, we visit shopping malls or eat out on Sundays. So she loves to visit shopping malls and have food outside on Sundays. We have, Tinu, we have fun playing games together and reading storybooks. Tinu don't want to go outside, but he loves playing games together and reading storybooks. Special days in the family. Sometimes we have celebrations in our homes. Birthdays and weddings are some family celebrations. We invite our friends, neighbors and relatives. We have a lot of fun together. So sometimes we have family celebrations here in our homes. What are they? Like birthdays and weddings. These are the family celebrations. And during these family celebrations, we invite our friends, neighbors and relatives. And during these days, we have lots of fun together. Okay? Celebrating festivals. We also celebrate festivals with our family, friends and neighbors. We wear new clothes, eat special food and have lots of fun. We visit or invite our friends, relatives and neighbors on festival days. We greet each other. We also exchange sweets. All this gives us great joy. So, here celebrating festivals. No, we celebrate festivals with family, friends and neighbors. Now, what all things we do on festivals? We wear new clothes, eat special foods, delicious foods, and have lots of fun. We visit or invite our friends. We even visit their place or we invite them, like friends, relatives, and neighbors. Even we greet each other. We also exchange sweets. And all this gives us great joy and happiness. People celebrate different types of festivals. Hindus celebrate many festivals like Diwali, Dashahara, Holi, and Pongal. Now, here the picture you can see. So, Hindus celebrate all these festivals. What are they? Diwali, Dashahara, Holi, and Pongal. Christians celebrate Christmas and Easter. Muslims celebrate Eid and Bakrid. Sikhs celebrate Guru Parv. It will be Guru Parv. It is written Guru Parv. Guru Parv. Okay. So, Christian celebrates Christmas, Easter. Then Muslim celebrates two festivals, Eid and Bakrid. And Sikh celebrates Guru Parv. Important days. There are some important days which all the people of India celebrate together. They are Independence Day on 15th August every year, Republic Day on 26th January every year, Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October every year. So, actually, important days, these are the national festivals. Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. These days are celebrated as the national festival. Okay. So, we know, no, Independence Day celebrated 15th August, then Republic Day 26th January, and Gandhi Jayanti 2nd October. Every year, these festivals are celebrated in our country. We meet all our friends, relatives, and neighbors at festivals and celebrations. We have a lot of fun too. So, what we do? We meet all our friends, relatives, and neighbors during the festivals and celebrations, and we also have lots of fun while celebrating festivals and celebrations. Now, we come to the end of this chapter. Thank you, students.